Welcome back to the Herald High School Insiders. My name is Jim Clark, and spring is right around the corner, so we got about less than a week to go in the regular season, which means we're reaching crunch time. We've got some sectional champions. The state finals are right around the corner. Last night, Division 1 and Division 2 North, a couple of classic matchups. Division 1 North, tremendous matchup between Middlesex League rivals Reading and Wilmington, went to 11 rounds of the shootout, and maybe a state record, we're not sure. Shootouts only go back about 10 years or so. We're going to look that up for you, but we want to find out whether Reading set a record last night, 11 runs in the shootout before Michael Thompson scored on his second attempt at the shootout, finally beating Drew Foley in Wilmington, knocking the two-time Division II champions out of the tournament. Well, 4-3 win for Reading, so they move on to the state finals on Sunday, and they will meet the South champion Braintree. Braintree moved on, winning the South on Sunday with a 5-4 victory over Barnstable. They got out to a big lead, 5-1, and held off a great Barnstable comeback in the third period. Division 2, Beverly absolutely blitzed Tewksbury last night, 9-1. They came back after giving up an early goal. Connor Irving was tremendous, scoring 4 goals for the Panthers. So they move on. They'll face the South champion Medfield, which knocked off Canton in the South final 3-2. In Division 3, we're still in the semifinal round. We've got our North champion Wayland, which upset Watertown last week, and then they beat Newton South. They will take on Hanover on Wednesday. Hanover rolled through the South Division. And then our Central West representatives will be Shrewsbury coming out of Central Mass, Westfield out of Western Mass. Those semifinal games will be on Thursday, so we'll see who comes out of those games and goes to the Garden on Sunday. In the girls, we've got one matchup for Sunday, Duxbury and Arlington Catholic. In Division 1, two teams that are no strangers to playing at the Garden. Duxbury, a perennial Division 2 power, moving up to Division 1 this year, and they'll take on Arlington Catholic in that game. In Division 2, we're still in the semifinal round. We got 2 games on Tuesday night. We've got Wellesley and Falmouth in the first game, and then Sandwich and Westwood in the second game. One of those games will move on to Division 2. That's all we got here, and join us again next week for our last edition of the hockey edition of the High School Insiders as we wrap up all of the state championship action from Sunday at the Garden. See you next week.